I got the car. I got the car.
We're up B.
Oh, behind us.
What? Too long.
Don't be now. Don't be nice. We faked it. Perfect fake, John. Don't. Get him. Come on. Stop shooting. No. Oh my god. Stop.
One spawn.
Watch tunnel. Yeah. Oh no. Come on, one-on-one. Get him. Get it. Done. Behind you. Behind you.
Oh no. Tunnels is lit. No.
Luke, you gotta challenge, bro. You gotta challenge that guy
Did you
with
see
door.
what happened to me?
What the
Too
fuck?
long.
Bring the bomb. Let's go up cat. Nice. Did that done?
Wanna go back B?
One.
No, they only have 2A. What has that?
He's in A side. Two A
Yeah,
side.
lower B. Come on, man. Go B now. Go B now. Tunnels now.
Go B.
This guy has a fucking op, dude. 10 health.
Smoke the
Literally 10 health.
crossword. Guns out.
Let's go ahead. Pull down.
Yeah. Good job. Good fight. Get the op if you can.
Something op somewhere.
Great job. Wait a minute. Let's go.
This whole tunnel.
God damn it, man. We gotta go together. Oh no. I was telling to rush, man. Why are you guys going middle? Like, come on, man.
Shit, that's smoke.
Throw these guns back.
Going lower.
Nice.
Chill. I didn't see anything late. Watch
Cat,
that.
possibly.
Okay.
Leith isn't really peeking cat. You can just bait for him. Nice job. What a round. All right.
Alright, thanks.
But like, there's an AK down and an M4. God damn it, man. I don't know what. I'm playing bad right now.
Fucking door.
Should be in B. Nice. I'll fall stay there. Nice. Keep watching it. Nice. Molly the thing late.
I got it. I'm Molly.
Fall back.
I'm playing under window.
Molly back.
Leith, you gotta be better, man. Leith, you gotta watch. Oh my god. Why are you like? You were watching tunnels. Keep watching. Kill the guy. Get a better angle on him.
You're right.
Yo, by the way, listen, don't overbuy loop. You overbought guns last round. Like, why? You had a gun and then you bought like 2 more or something.
One
I'll
CT.
come throw it. Hold on, nice.
CT ran.
Close B tunnel. Nice trade.
One CT
You
spawn
been
right
playing for
now.
tons?
Anywhere.
Nice.
Nice.
There's a smoke in the front of tunnels you can grab. Or Molly, I mean.
He said tunnels, 1-on-1. No, bro. Oh, I was gonna say don't even peek him. I hit him, man. You should have just played the door.
Yeah, I should have just, yeah.
Right now.
Joe, he's in. Come on, help peek him, man. No, come on, my team. Don't even worry about it. There's an op in front of you right there. Nice, John. I wouldn't plan yet. I wouldn't plan.
I got him.
About to be mid.
Go left. That's one guy. Peek now, fast, Leith. That's number. Good.
Where's that fucking op?
Right there. Good job. Oof, it's a little scary.
So that is off.
Look how fast they're on the over rotate. I'm leaving mid. I'm coming with you.
Where's the long?
Nice.
Mid long. Nice.
Look at those flashes. Someone watch flank. Someone watch this flank.
Fucking A15. Oh, you pushed the smoke. Nice.
I'll be coming cat.
No.
Oh, behind me! Fuck!
Okay, up.
Dude, I asked for someone to watch flank so long ago, and I have to get stuck watching the fucking flank.
Bang. Flash. In the smoke.
Is he on CT? Alright.
Nice.
I have an up.
This guy thought you said I have one already, but you can keep it if you want.
Kill right now.
You guys streaming tonight or what?
I am right now. Go B right now, go B.
Got you.
Actually, you know what? They smoked it. I don't know. Just go run in, fuck it. Come back, Leith. Come to
I'm
us.
walking up cat.
We're going up cat.
He saw me. He's left side. Oh, lower.
God damn it, more. I don't know why you went through B when I fucking told you so early. Just run back through spawn where you were. One was middle. That's not 1-on-1. You could go anywhere. You could go all the way around the lawn.
I am. Oh, James.
Late, did you just don't op anymore. Don't do anything because you're not listening. You're not able to think. You were literally almost in spawn. Why wouldn't you just run back to me? I just told you, forget it. Late, come back.
Nice.
Do, nice.
Oh, I messed up my.
God damn me.
One CT.
I'm flashing cross with it.
Good job, Alphonse.
Alphonse, good job,
Thanks,
man.
baby.
Go B,
What?
Luke, go B. Oh my
Why
god,
is there
Luke,
a
never mind, no.
now?
Luke, why'd you ask for a fucking AK to me? Why?
What?
Why'd you fucking don't? I'm not. Fuck you, man. Why are you telling me AK? I'm trying to pick mid.
Fizzuk.
Bro, Luke, you need to shut the fuck up and just rush. Just rush, even if you have nothing. Just go with them. You literally took my gun and you fucking didn't even know how to hit it. I bought you one and you took my off.
Wait, AK me.
And I couldn't spot how many crossed.
John, I'm on my way. Stay alive.
He's blue together.
God damn it. Last guy's in the tunnels. In the tunnels. You have bomb control, guys. You have to move up together.
Hold on.
Oh my god, dude.
No, that was on its head, was it not?
I can't believe my own eyes. I really can't believe what you're doing. What's the reason, John? Why are you wide swinging? Lath, why are you not just dropping? John, stay fucking against the wall.
I did.
The other guy, why is he running in? What's happening? Why are you guys giving him peeks?
One running inside.
Could be up cap. I'm blind. One's up cap.
Could be a
So, Tom, I'm behind you.
mid, dude. Mid.
I think he fell
one.
back.
I'm mid.
One dead mid to B. One more mid to B. One more mid to B.
One was long, right?
Yeah, do that bomb.
Yeah, I think I do.
Where's bomb? I'm sorry.
Cap, bro. He's on cap, man. He dropped to the middle. He dropped to middle. He dropped to middle.
I'm gonna go dead. I'm flashing over that.
Good job.
Finally, dude.
Oh my god, pick up the op.
All right, let's take long from him.
John, I
Flash
dropped
for
you
us. Don't throw the smoke.
I'll flash for you. I'll flash behind you guys.
That's hard.
I'm dead.
So, flashing long.
You said they could be mid to B.
No, I'm watching your mid.
On door.
Do you have a flash or anything?
No, I have a molly. I'm watching window. Window. Keep. Nice.
I don't know where the last guy is.
He's shot. He was window. I got you door.
I killed sight, I thought. Just
Possibly. I was in
Could
molly
be on long, could be long.
Yeah.
He's up top. Goose. I didn't spot it right. I didn't spot it right.
That was the slowest cat call.
Wasn't a.
Actually in the site.
I'm so confused.
Nice.
So 2-on-1.
Got one
Nice.
side.
Nice. Unknown.
Could be smoke.
It's Bennett 4 cat.
It could be cat.
Who's clear? Fuck, I'm a sticker, dude.
Cat. Nice
Nice,
job.
good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, too many of. Are they where?
Tunnels.
Nice.
One tunnel.
Yeah,
Very
bomb.
late. Very
I'm
late.
watching.
Again,
We have
lower.
bomb here. We
Got
100.
lower.
There's good job. I was gonna say there's no way we'd pull. Bro, if pistols just went the other way, we win this whole game, right? It's 31. Like, we're fine.
Play.
Hold on.
No,
I'm
flashing.
I don't have
flashing.
flash. We're flashing in. Go. I'm rolling through there. Bat sight. I'm so bad. You hit bat sight. 1-on-1. Come on. Good job, bro. I love you. On window. Out window. Good flash, John. I shouldn't have no strips. I should have just went with the pistol there and traded.
One more mid.
Oh, cat one.
Watching me window.
Hide. Got him. Last guy's window.
Right side mid to B.
Hey, stay alive.
Bomb, he was bomb. Under window. I think so too. Good job.
Defuse. Just you got 2 kills and you made it. I'm picking long.
I got one.
Flash rest loop.
I'm sorry. Flashing now.
Loop, that's a bad flash.
Yeah, blue. I'm
One more.
I'm stuck. Move. I got
Stop flashing, stop flashing.
I'm so blind. What the fuck?
I'm only blue zone.
Blue.
One blue zone, blue zone, one. Two out.
One more.
One site. Mo, one site. I'm CT.
God damn it, listen, who's flashing us?
That was fucking bad.
Nice try, late. Oh, it's alright. Yo, bro, okay, it's not bad, but Loop, do you know the flash, bro? You throw it over us to the left, not next to, your flash got us, bro. It got us.
Can I get a drop?
Don't let him flash for us. Why do you keep doing
He was
it?
in the very back. I need a pistol or something. Shit. I have a USP. I thought someone was done. I only have a USP.
Never mind, just peek it. Where?
Could be B.
Is it B? Yeah. What's happening? Where's everyone? Talk! Dude, oh my god, that flash. Boys, it's so heartbreaking because we had so many rounds where we were winning the round and then we lost. So just 3-0 this, please. And Luke, the flash, if you don't know it, please don't throw it at long. Hey, what are you doing?
One cat.
No, man.
Yeah, I couldn't go there.
One more ramp.
2 up.
There we go.
You have a smoke? Defuse,
One up.
lock it.
Good round.
God, Lath,
No,
I
they were
don't know.
watching CT. I had to fall back.
I understand,
brother
Lath,
saw
but
it.
we're already, it's alright, whatever.
Brother songs.
They shouldn't have guns right now. They shouldn't have, or they're gonna have guns, but I don't know if they're gonna have ops. Come here, John. Or Lath, boost me here. Stand still, right here. To the left. Left here, left. Oh my god, okay.
One your cat.
Yeah.
Give it up, cat.
Give up.
Up A. Up A.
Oh shit. No, fuck! I wasn't watching. Fuck, I was trying to. It's alright. Just try to... Yeah, I was trying to tell you guys, if we're focusing mid there, you can't. We have to fight mid and cat and take it completely over, then retake long A, guys. We just let them cross because that was the setup. Because we didn't have spawns for long. The fucking problem with these spawns, we never had them. Is it?
What a psychopath, dude. Full tunnel.
Got him, perfect. Let's go.
I can guarantee at least
Window
one
shot.
entry.
Platform.
One more door.
Got lower B.
One outside B. One outside B already.
I killed lower. We're good.
Yeah, watch my window and I'll find.
I don't.
Watch his door leg.
Oh, he's coming. Watch that. Watch it.
One out, 2v1.
Window.
He's hurt. Don't plant safe.
Oh, that guy's hurt.
He's somehow.
Oh no.
What are you doing? Plant the ball.
I misplanted.
Okay, plants! What the fuck? What's happening?
God damn it.
my
bro.
God.
I'm so sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! I misplanted. Like plants.
You too.
I'm sorry, bro.
Let's just
Give me the party.
Smoke break.
let me see Lath right now. I want to see how he managed to mess up the plants. He's like, oh no!
Oh no.
Look at this.
Oh no.
Oh,
Don't plant.
Oh, that guy's hurt.
Oh no. I misplanted.
okay, plants. What's happening? We're so nervous there. He's so nervous. Why?